Hi everyone, today I'm going to walk you through exactly how to create wholesale pricing for your store. Before we jump in, let's take a quick look at the big picture. Setting up B2B pricing in the app is essentially a 5-step process. First, we create a wholesale pricing rule, then a volume pricing rule. After that, we map our customer groups to those rules, display the pricing block on our product pages, and finally configure how the discounts and prices actually look on the front end. In this specific video, we are just going to focus on step number 1, creating that foundational wholesale pricing rule. Let's get started. Go ahead and open up your Smind B2B app from your main Shopify dashboard. Over on the left-hand navigation menu, you'll want to click right here on Pricing Rules. Under the Wholesale Pricing section, just hit that Create New Rule button. Now let's give our rule a name. In the title field, type in something descriptive so you know what it is later, something like 20% off for all B2B buyer. Just remember, your customers won't see this name. It's completely private and just for you on the back end. Next up is setting the master wholesale discount. Click on the discount type dropdown. You'll see you have options for percentage off is a type of discount that automatically subtracts a set percentage from your retail price. Fixed amount off is an option that cuts a specific flat dollar amount from the normal retail price. And flat price is an option that completely overrides your retail price with a manual price. Let's choose percentage off options. In the box right below it, just type in 20 for a 20% discount. This is where you add a specific percentage you want to discount. Scrolling down a bit to targeting, click the Which Markets dropdown. You can get really specific here if you want to target specific countries, but for this tutorial, we'll just select all markets. That means the wholesale discount globally to every customer who meets the group criteria. Right below that is the Products section. Click the Product Scope dropdown. The app gives you a bunch of ways to group items, like by collections or tags, but let's just select all products, so this discount applies store-wide. Now, what if you have a product you don't want to discount? Easy. Just click plus Add Products to Exclude. In the pop-up, search for the item, check the box next to it, let's say the Smind pot, and just like that, it won't get the 20% discount. You can also set custom discounts for specific items using per product overrides. Click Add Products, choose something from the list like the Smind cast iron, and click Add. You'll see its variants pop up like black, bronze, and gray. Just toggle the switch next to the black and bronze variants to turn them on. For the first variant, I will set a 5% discount. The second variant is 10% discount, and the last variant is 15% discount. From there, you can actually change their specific discount value on this product, not variants. You should turn on the override toggle for this specific item and turn off all the variant rows. For example, I'm going to set a 50% discount on this specific item, completely overriding your store's default 20% master rule. We're almost done here, and scroll down to Active Dates. If you want this rule to start on a specific day in the future, just click the Start Date field and pick your exact day from the calendar. To make this look great on your actual storefront, expand the Advance Save badge style. Then you can adjust the badge style where you can change the text structure of the savings announcement right here, and you can also click the color boxes under Text Color and Background Color to pick the perfect color for your store's savings badge. Remember that this Save badge only displays on the product detail page. If you don't want to display that, you should go to Settings and choose Price Display to turn off that Save badge. Finally, let's turn this thing on. Up in the top right corner, find the Status card. Change the Rule Status dropdown from Draft to Active. You'll see a quick little notification to remind you that this rule is active, but the discount isn't actually being applied to any customers in your store yet. So we will create the group later in the next video for mapping the customer group to the pricing rule. Hit that Save button at the very top of the page, and that's it for step 1. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video where we will create volume pricing.